G'day, I'm Melissa Shannon, founder of digitalscrapbookinghq.com. I'm really excited to share with you a little bit of a different video. Today's video is going to be showcasing the pitch that I recently made for the +8 Pre-Accelerator course. And I thought I'd take you into the room where it happened, where you can see my pitch and the prize that I walked away with. Enjoy.
All right, welcome. I'm very happy that the rain didn't put any of you off, which is good. We have a full house. And so welcome to the +8 Pre-Accelerator pitch event. We have 4 awesome pitches for you to see tonight. They're all very excited, not nervous at all. My name is Jasmine. I had the pleasure of facilitating this program very excited to be here with you today. I'd like to start by acknowledging the traditional owners of the land that we're meeting on tonight, and I'd like to pay my respects to elders past, present and emerging. So we start at Redi Software at 4 p.m. every Tuesday, and I get there about 10 minutes early, which I think is pretty early, and Melissa is always there, 20 minutes early, without fail. There's even been times where I thought I would beat her, but no. She's always early, but you've been a pleasure for the program, and thank you for all your commentary, all your feedback, all your hard work. And Melissa is going to be the continued glue for this program, and is going to keep everyone accountable in continuing to update their metrics after the program ends as well. So come on up here, Melissa.
Well, thank you, Jasmine. That was a very lovely introduction. All of us are adding thousands of photos to our digital libraries every year. They're on OneDrive, Google Drive, Dropbox, iCloud, and it's just so overwhelming. All these photos everywhere, and who knows where any specific photo is. But don't worry, I'm here to help. G'day, I'm Melissa Shannon, founder of digitalscrapbookinghq.com, and I am an archivist and a Photoshop expert. So that gives me a very niche set of skills that I can use to help you with your photos. I founded the business in 2011 in the City of Joondalup, running small group workshops, and now we've grown with classes on online services helping over 4,000 customers across the globe. I work with a couple of different software companies. One you may know, there's Brewer and Adobe. You've perhaps seen Photoshop, which can turn any of our faces into a cast member of Barbie. Or they do other things as well. The software I use uses metadata and AI to curate your best photos and help you preserve them. Once we have sorted through your photo library, we then upload them to Forever, which is a permanent storage company. A bit different to a lot of your other services. It provides online storage that is permanent, and they also provide other great services such as beautiful coffee table books for you to enjoy. So you have your beautiful photo library sorted, organised, preserved and printed for you and your whole family to enjoy. You can get started for just $300. You get your photos organised, your 5,000 of your most precious memories permanently preserved, and a beautiful coffee table book to enjoy. You might like to document your Euro summer, or maybe your 40th birthday, or perhaps there's a new addition to the family. They're just some of the ideas that my customers have loved in their photo books. And as you can see, I've made 1 or 2 myself. The money that's on offer tonight, I would love to use to prototype new photo products, to integrate with more online photo storage solutions, and to have our marketing reach a new generation of photographers who may be tech savvy but they really need help with their photos. If you have so many photos you don't know what to do, please come and see me afterwards. I'd love to talk to you, or you can scan the QR code. I've brought along a few props, some of our photo books, so you can get inspired about what you could do with a perfectly organised photo library. Thank you so much for your time.
Hey, Melissa, Jeremy. Well done, this is awesome. You probably got me in a real sweet spot because I got one of these with my wife for our 40th. And it was the most talked about thing for like weeks.
Oh, awesome.
So I can see that. So, it's really cool. I keep going the other way to digital to something physical and tangible, which is what Jake mentioned earlier in his speech about the intersect technology and the human aspect. You hit the nail on the head. My question is, how did you get the 4,000 customers? That's amazing traction.
Well, it's been a slow build. Have been in business for 12 years now. Mostly through SEO. A couple of companies, I broadly come from the scrapbooking industry, and a couple of those companies are no longer in operation, and their customers are looking for a solution. Their old software is no longer supported, and I just happen to write really excellent information on how they can access their photos and the replacement software they can use. So that's where a lot of my customers have come from. So mostly SEO, doing summits, classes, joint venture promotions, those sort of
Referrals
things.
and stuff.
Yeah.
Cool, thank you.
For someone that's looking to get together all of their online photos, how do you think that your product today and product of the future compares to, say, just picking one of the solutions like Google Drive and migrating all of your photos into that one place?
Yeah, so if you have all of your photos in one place, that's an excellent start. What you do have there is a lot of duplicates, usually a lot of screenshots, whereas what I provide that's different is curating using AI technology, a bit of brain power. So that's kind of the point of difference, I guess.
So you're more of a personal service for photos. How do you see yourself scaling that then, if it's not just the...
Yeah, so I have a 4-step process that I use to curate like a book like this. And so then if I was to scale, a lot of things are automated, but I would take on additional, hopefully local staff who I would train. I've got a big background in education and a pretty great 4-step system basically for curating photos. So I'm confident we'd be able to upskill and then have more people working in the business.
Thank you.
Any other questions?
Yeah, that's 2 questions.
If you have a big question, you can certainly go for it.
Questions, the technology you use at the moment, it's a single fee to go through and put together a book, if I understand what you said correctly.
That's correct.
2 questions. One, what kind of margin do you get from each of those processes? And do you see opportunity for that to be some kind of recurring fee? Or is it something that happens regularly in someone's life where they want to have another book for a different situation, etc.?
So there's a couple of ways it could be recurring. The forever photo storage is a once a payment. It goes into an investment process, so that is a one-off fee, which I really like, as opposed to $12,995 charges that you might be dealing with at the moment. I have about a 26% profit on this service right now that the business receives. Does that answer the question? Possibly it could be recurring. I don't know if that model would work for us. Not sure. I think that's another point of difference from like iCloud, Dropbox, etc. That would be something to test.
Cool. Thank you.
Just one last question, I imagine. So your videos that you do internationally, are they pre-recorded and available, or is it like a seminar that you're taking registrations for and charging, or are you monetizing those, and in which way?
Yeah, so I have a number of online classes that are self-paced that anyone could buy. I do some live classes, and well, I really do all of the above. And then with my photo organising and like these books, that's just one-on-one. I jump on Zoom or various technologies and talk to customers.
I look forward to sending you my photos. Thank you so much.
Injected back into the economy and for them to build their businesses even more. Alright, so I'm going to pass to Zoe, who's going to kick us off.
We're going to bring fourth up as well and give them a round of applause and say congratulations. So hard up doing fourth and third. So fourth tonight we have Cam Plus, Brian. And third we have Brad from Side Visuals.
Someone who's taking photos of that me. Here you go. Thank you.
In second place, it's Melissa from
Now, Melissa knows she's already got one customer.
I guess from us, from the judges' point of view, the traction that you've got and the ability or the opportunity to scale it with new technology is going to be a real winner. So well done. Yeah.
Most of you have probably already worked this out. Beck, if you could come up to stage.
Obviously I'm not eligible for obvious reasons. This is amazing, and the comment you made about community, that's what I'd like to think people recognise that we as a city are all about. And anything we can do to help people like you and others support the strength of our community has got to be a good thing for all of us. So thank you.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
I just wanted to say thanks so much for watching. I was really honoured to be part of the cohort chosen by the City of Joondalup to be part of this Spacecubed +8 Pre-Accelerator sprint course. It's been a great couple of months of learning. It was a great opportunity to win second place and some funding thanks to the Lotterywest IdeaStarter. If you heard my pitch and would like to get started with your own photo book and permanent photo storage, head to digiscraphq.com/photos to get started today. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, if you'd like to learn more about digital scrapbooking or Photoshop elements, head to digitalscrapbookinghq.com.